In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text fields in Adobe Acrobat Pro 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a regular PDF into one that people can type into, using a clean and repeatable workflow. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro 2026. From there, look toward the top or left of the interface and click Tools. Tools is where Acrobat keeps all of its specialized features, and for form building, the one we want is called Prepare Form. Go ahead and select Prepare Form. This workspace is designed for creating interactive PDFs, and it streamlines everything from adding fields to setting up names and saving your final file. Acrobat will ask how you want to begin. Choose whether you want to use an existing PDF or create a new form. If you already have a document that needs fillable spots, choose the existing PDF. If you're starting from scratch, creating a new form is a quick way to build a layout designed for typing. Once you've made your choice, click Start. Acrobat may scan the page for potential form fields, but even if it doesn't, you'll have full control to add exactly what you need. At the top toolbar in the Prepare Form view, click Add a Field. This opens the field types you can place onto the page. Select Text Field. A text field is perfect for information like names, addresses, or short responses, and it's the most common element in fillable PDFs. Now click on the page where you want the field to appear. Place it exactly where it makes sense for the reader. After placing it, you'll be prompted to give the field a name. Type a clear, descriptive field name, such as full name. Naming matters because it helps you stay organized, especially if you plan to collect data from multiple responses later on. A consistent, readable name makes exporting and reviewing results much easier. Once you've named the field, press Enter to confirm. Your text field is now part of the form. If you preview the document, you'll see that the new field is ready for typing, which is a great way to quickly verify that everything is behaving correctly. Finally, save the PDF. Saving locks in your changes so the fillable field is available the next time you or someone else opens the file. That's it. Your PDF now has a fillable text field ready to share, print, or collect responses.